Yeah. This is video, girls. Boys, what you doing? What you boys doing?
Oh, there's something
Wesley?
cool up ahead. It's a guy on a unicycle.
Wesley, take your
Check it out.
oh, I gotta do that. I'll get it. Fill it like that.
The
Okay.
boys want to walk. We don't want to make them better ride.
Okay, there's a unicycle coming. How are you doing that?
That looks like a
about
workout.
45 years.
Man, can I do it?
So cool.
I need to buy one of those.
45.
That's a unicycle too. Been doing that for 45 years.
Take some like upper street, you know? Oh, yeah.
Okay, these girls are walking for a walk, going for a walk, taking their boys for a walk.
You want to walk? Lily wants to walk.
Okay.
Get Casey out of your
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Go get Papa.
He's watching them. Watch the mud.
What's the mud? You're good.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Hi, Logan.
What are we doing out here? What are we doing out here? Okay. Come on, Logan. Come on, Logan. Come on.
Come on, Logan.
Let's go. You want to go for a walk? You walk.
Come walk with Mommy.
He's walking. He's walking. Look at it. He's walking all by himself on the trails.
He's running, actually.
He's running. This is what it looks like when a little boy runs, right here. Okay? His arms just swinging.
He's going to get going pretty fast here in a little bit.
Okay? This is what a little boy looks like when he's riding.
Go on this side.
Wesley, are you riding? Wesley,
Let's see.
are you riding, boy?
Look at Papa. He ignores it.
Hey, you wagging in there?
Give me a drink.
Okay, here we go.